Hi, Gloria Corral with My Florida Dreams. We're here at Colony Cove again. This is 323 Hague Drive. This home is absolutely beautiful. It's being sold turnkey, and it has not only 3 bedrooms, it has a 2.5 car garage, so you can park 2 cars and a golf cart, and the golf cart in the garage is included in the sale. So if you'd like to follow me, we're here in the entryway, and the guest rooms are on this end. Here's our first guest room, which also has a nice sized closet. And our guest bath. As you can tell, this home's been beautifully decorated. And our second guest room. Again, this is being sold turnkey. We have a nice open kitchen, and the owners did upgrade all appliances, even though the home is only 4 years old. The appliances are 2 years old. We have an inside laundry right off the kitchen. Which leads out to the garage area. Of course, right off the kitchen, we have a very spacious living room, nice and bright, with sliding glass doors out to the backyard. And our master bedroom is at the opposite end of the house from the guest rooms, which makes it also nice. Gives everybody a little bit of privacy. And our beautiful master bath. If you'd like to see this home, give me a call, 570-854-6424.